Hi everyone! Ever seen weird letters on a clock? Or after a king's name, like Henry VIII?
There are only 7 symbols to remember. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50. Roman numeral is built from combinations of these 7 letters. Rule 1. When a smaller symbol comes after a bigger one, you add them. Is 5 plus 1? That's 6. XI is 10 plus 1? That's 12. Simple addition, left to right. But here's the twist. When a smaller symbol comes before a bigger one, you subtract. IV means 5's 1, that's 4. This subtraction trick, 9. For bigger numbers, we break them into chunks. Take XLIV. First chunk, XLer, 40 is 4. You just read Roman numerals piece by piece, left to right. Let's try real math. 18. First, convert. 818 is 18, 7 is 7. Add them, now convert 25 back. That's XXV. See? Quick challenge for you. Pause the video and solve this. Got it? XL is 40, IX, so the answer is 49, written as XLIX. Nicely done. So remember, add when a smaller bowl follows a bigger one, subtract when it comes before. And book chapters. You'll be reading Roman numerals like a pro in no time. See you next time.